Good afternoon on the October the 4th. It's a random update. Not a random update. I've got rid of my lavender trio, and this is the only, well, not the only ducks I got, but that's the baby I had this year. He's come down with these gals for the time being. He's quite white, good looking. He's going to live with these gals. The grass is still growing, pretty good. We got a bit of a moat situation going on here. Again, we did have a bit of a stop, but then you can see the back of her head. Okay, she's now molting. She's molting as well. She's molting. Look at the back of her head. Look, she's got no. Well, it's quite funny. The little summer's molting. So we got a moat on again. The wind duck females are out. They got. Oh, sorry about that. Got some new feathers coming through. So yeah, quite a bit of molting going on again. Hank, he is molting. Oh, can't get her. Oh, we got a duck fight. The female was fighting with the male. Alright guys, here's my magpie black and white Muscovy trio. The drake I hatched this year. The one there is last year's bird, and then the one at the back is this year's bird. So they're quite young. Alright, sorry about that. But there they are. Look happy enough now. I'm not going to live in this pen. We're going to make a bigger pen for them, I think. And I'm going to make a pond, concrete pond. It all takes time.